Hi Fragrance fam, it's Beth here, and today we're making something extra fun, apricot themed bath bombs. I'll be walking you through the entire process from mixing the perfect base to hand painting adorable little apricots. Scented with our best-selling Lavender and Spring Apricot fragrance, these are sure to be a huge hit during the spring and summer months. Let's get started. First up, we're going to prepare the dry ingredients. If you're not already doing so, make sure you measure everything using a precise calibrated lab or kitchen scale. Using volume measurements like cups could be inaccurate, causing a bath bomb mixture that's too wet or dry. Grab a large mixing bowl and measure out your baking soda and citric acid. Make sure to sift both ingredients through a fine mesh strainer to avoid any clumps. Once everything is in the bowl, whisk them together thoroughly so they're fully combined. The better you mix them, the better your bath bombs will fizz. Now it's time to mix our liquid ingredients. In a small mixing bowl, combine polysorbate 80, vegetable glycerin, and the Lavender and Spring Apricot fragrance oil. For a pop of color, sprinkle a couple milligrams of batch certified FD&C dye powder in with the liquid ingredients. I'm using a mix of red and blue to create a purple color since I didn't have any purple on hand. Use a small whisk or a mini frother to fully disperse the dye into the liquid. You want everything to be nice and smooth before moving on. It's time to combine the wet and dry ingredients. Slowly drizzle the liquid mixture into the dry ingredients using gloved hands to mix everything together. Keep working the mixture until the color is evenly distributed and the texture feels like damp sand. You'll know it's ready when it holds its shape when squeezed in your hand. Now let's make some bath bombs. Loosely pack the mixture into a 2 or 3 part bath bomb mold. We're using a 3-inch 3D printed mold for this project. Use the back of a measuring cup to gently press and compact the mixture. If the mixture starts to feel too dry or crumbly, give it a few sprays of 99% isopropyl alcohol and mix again to restore the perfect texture. Carefully unmold your bath bombs and place them on a drying rack. Give them a couple of hours to firm up before you add the finishing touches. While the bath bombs are drying, let's get our painting supplies ready. In 3 separate small bowls, disperse about half a teaspoon of each mica powder, light orange, dark orange, and light green, into half a tablespoon of 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now let's paint those cute little apricots. Use a fine-tipped paintbrush to paint a circle with the light orange mica. Right next to it, paint a half moon shape using the darker orange to create a shadow effect. To finish the look, add a small green leaf on top. And voila, you've got an adorable apricot design. Once the painting is done, let the bath bombs dry for at least 24 hours before using them. If you're in a humid environment, it's best to give them 48 to 72 hours to fully cure. And that's it! Your Lavender and Spring Apricot bath bombs are ready to go. Just toss one in your next bath and enjoy the fizz, fragrance, and fun. If you try this tutorial, let us know how it went in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next project. Find this fragrance and thousands more for your bath and body products on our web store linked in the description box below. See y'all later. Bye!